Taiwan's semiconductor industry chain is the most complete in the world. Not just TSMC, other companies and parts of the industrial chain is what holds the whole industry together, making Taiwan a global leading force in semiconductors.
富国群山的聚落，那台积电是在前段晶圆厂，那整个日月光集团包括细品的话是在整个富国群山的中段，我们也很引以为傲，可以在整个富国群山里面贡献整个集团的力量。
SPIL is a major global ICS assembly company, having a revenue of $107.8 billion in 2021. With a large production capacity, relatively, it has caused increased impact on the environment, and becoming more sustainable and green has become a mission SPIL is actively working towards.
西平的中科厂屋顶种满了这些太阳能绿电，一年的发电量有350万度，相当于800多个家庭一年的用电量。
This is just at one plant alone. Along with the solar panels at the plants in other areas, a total of 4.1 million kilowatt-hour of electricity can be generated each year. Through solar power generation, energy-saving green architecture, and their investment in green electricity, it can reduce carbon production by 140,000 metric tons a year, equivalent to the absorption capacity of not just one, but 361 Da'an forest parks, which can be converted into electricity for 68,800 households. The packaging and testing process requires the use of compression molding glue to protect the IC, and a large amount of the glue goes to waste in the process. For the past 20 to 30 years, this type of black waste produced could only be treated as waste and incinerated. 80% of the waste from the compression molding glue is silicon dioxide. The material being very sturdy and hard, brick factories have turned waste into resource and have replaced part of the sand and gravel and developed a new patented product.
被压模加经过了破碎之后，加入了砂石等原料，可以成为再生循环利用的资源，可以做成了高压砖跟高压透水砖。
The production cost can therefore be reduced by 40%, and these bricks can be used anywhere outdoors and can be used on sidewalks, which helps enhance drainage requirements. We can also find it at SPIL. The company is continuing to find ways to reuse any waste, and the recovery rate of the production process is as high as 91%. Even used electroplating solution, using resin to absorb nickel metal, and after refining, it becomes nickel sulfate crystals, which are raw materials for the batteries of electric vehicles. The used photoresist solution can also be recycled and reused after recovery and purification. Water is also included in a process like this. This is a cup of wastewater from the cutting and grinding, which is cloudy because it contains silicone powder. Because of the breakthrough in filtration technology, the reuse rate of water resources can be up to 75.8%. The waste filtered out, which is mainly composed of silicone, and can be used in the process of making tires and insoles, and they have also shared this water filtration technology with other companies. As the semiconductor industry is one of Taiwan's leading force, it also consumes a lot of energy and resources. Finding ways to cut down on consumption and be more environmentally friendly is a target that companies need to focus on in order to sustain the semiconductor global supply chain. TVBS English News.